Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 4D, ETW Design Profiles, Side Roads. This video illustrates A. Default ETW profile settings, B. Modify copy of centerline profile to create ETW profile, C. Select appropriate profile view, and D. Modify swale elevations. Change the profile defaults. In Settings, right-click Profile, Edit Feature Settings, Default Styles, Profile Label Set, select the current name, Profile No Label Sets, OK, Profile Style, select the current name, ETW Profile Design, OK, Default Name Format, select the current name, replace CL with ETW. Apply, OK. Create a copy of the 44 South centerline design profile. Pick the centerline profile, move cursor and right-click, select Edit Profile Geometry. In Profile Layout Tools for 44 South, pick the copy icon. Name is 44 South centerline, PVI range. Select the PVI stations in the current profile to omit the primary road cross slope. Station range, start at 850, end 986. Destination options, create new profile, OK. Change the name and style of the new profile. Pick the new profile in the top profile view. In Properties palette, change name to 44 South ETW-left. Remove other portions of the name, enter. Change the style, ETW profile design, enter. Depress Escape T to clear the command. Adjust the elevation of the ETW profile for the normal road cross slope. In Profile Layout Tools, the name should indicate a copy of the centerline profile, which is also the ETW left profile. Pick the raised lower icon. For the elevation change, enter -0.23. For the normal ETW offset distance of 11.5 feet at a 2.0% cross slope. PVI range all, OK. The left ETW profile is displayed in all three profile views. Use Prospector to remove the display of the left profile in the centerline and right profile views. Prospector, Alignments, Centerline Alignments, 44 South, Profile Views, right-click Centerline, Properties, Profiles tab, Draw Column, remove the left ETW, Apply, OK. Repeat for the right, Properties, remove the left ETW, Apply, OK. The screen shows two viewports at 44 South with the plan view on top and the profile view on bottom. The 44 South ETW right profile has been created and is shown. Adjust the ETW profiles at the primary road ETW. Pick the ETW left profile, move cursor and right-click, select Edit Profile Geometry, select the Profile Grid View icon. Use the data shown in the temp plan labels to modify the ETW left profile at the swale. 9 plus 76, elevation 452.13, enter. Same at 986, 452.13, enter. At the flow line is 1200 slower, 452.01, enter. Close panorama. Close the layout tools for the left, pick the right ETW, move away, right click, edit profile geometry, pick the profile view icon, 9 plus 86. The ETW is 451.90. Same at 976, 451.90. Flow line is 1200 slower, 451.78. Enter. Close panorama. The same procedure is used for the ETW design profile of all side roads. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.